Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for curried clams. And to make this, I'm using pre-cleaned razor clams. You can use any type of clams you can find. So we're going to start by seasoning the clam. I'm going in with some Cajun seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, some bitters, some scallions or scythe, green seasoning, minced garlic, some freshly cracked black pepper, and toss to combine. Now you can leave this to marinate for a couple of hours if you like. Next, to a pot, I'm going in with some CGA chili infused coconut oil. If you can't find this, just use regular oil. Going with a few grains of methi seeds. Allow those to brown and then go in with some chopped hot pepper, pimento pepper and scallions and some onion. Saute until the onions are brown. Next, go in with your curry powder, some amchar masala powder and some geera powder. We want to toast this for about 20 seconds until it feels greeny. Next, I'm going to go in with the clams. Now, as with all seafood, it does not take long to cook. So toss those clams in that curry and allow this to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. We're allowing it to fry up in that curry, and that curry is going to coat those clams. After it's finished, you want to taste and adjust your salt accordingly, and then it's ready to be served. I love serving this with hot sada roti. So thank you all so much for watching. If you make it, leave me your comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!